Hey guys, what's happening? How to obtain a free auto clicker on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, alright? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down to find accessibility, right? Click it. And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the switch controls, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead and hit switches, right? And I'm gonna add a new switch, right? And I'm gonna select camera, or excuse me, screen, right? And I'm gonna select full screen. Alright, now you're gonna be able to choose the system or the scanner, right? In my case, I'm gonna hit tab, right? And now you just created your own switch, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to the switch control, right? And basically what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the recipe, right? And basically you're gonna see the recipes right here. Go ahead and click the last option, create a new recipe, right? And you're gonna enter, of course, the name of the recipe, right? So let's have example test, right? And then you're gonna be able to assign the switch, right? Which is full screen, okay? And basically you're gonna be able to select the actions, right? Tap the middle of the screen, right to left swipe, whatever that might be. I'm gonna be able to select, let's have an example. I'm gonna select custom gesture, right? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. A sequence of gestures will be replayed with timing in locations that are recorded here. Okay, so I'm gonna add the place, okay, and say, okay, here, here, and here, here, okay, and basically gonna hit save at the top right after you finish, okay, gonna hit save right here, okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to the switch control, okay, and now I'm gonna go back to the accessibility. Next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down to activate the switch controls. So I'm gonna just go ahead to the accessibility shortcuts, and I'm gonna select the switch controls right here, right, to give them access to the automatic switch controls that I just said. Okay, and now simply what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into my browser, right, and I'm gonna triple click or whatever, right, to activate the gesture. Okay, so basically that's it. That's another comment. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.